Okay. Welcome back. We always do that shit. Okay, so welcome back to 17,000 Flavors of Indonesia. Okay,
take a look at.
There is a lot of shit on this table. Some of it you can't even see because there's so much stuff. Abe is going to cook the hell out of a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, whatever we have in the fridge.
Yes.
Because tomorrow we're going back to the restaurant. We don't think so we're gonna eat. So
yes.
Whatever inside the fridge that is the leftover. Maybe the challenge is leftover.
Okay.
You turn the leftover food into something new and taste better.
All right. So we have some leftover chicken.
Don't throw it.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have some leftover rice.
We have some leftover white rice and
some yellow rice from the restaurant.
Yes. Okay. So
and
we have some stuff, but this is gonna be the second one. This is from all
we have
the garden.
Okra.
Yeah, except this and this, not from the
long beans.
Long bean, okra.
And we're gonna at some point do steak also.
Yes. Okay. So let's start with the rice. What I want you to do, just shredded this.
You said you're gonna start with the rice.
Yeah, the rice. I'm gonna do something with the rice.
You want to start with the chicken?
Yeah, you're gonna start with the chicken. Shredded the chicken.
Okay.
Shredded the chicken. Okay. Switch. Yeah, just shred it. Okay, let's do that. Let's shred the chicken because I'm gonna cook this chicken. We're gonna shred it and then take a look at this. What is this?
Ice tray.
Ice tray. It's gonna be something.
Oh my god.
Okay.
What a surprise.
All right then. So this one we're gonna cook this. Chicken.
Coconut oil.
Coconut oil, and then I'm gonna do stir fries with the rice.
Okay, go.
Okay, let's do this. Coconut oil. Okay, coconut oil here. Just put coconut oil here, my spoon. Spoon. Okay. Coconut oil. We're gonna use, let me think. So we have this rice, we have that one, we have this, we have, okay, I'm gonna show you, we have another seasoning, it's coming very soon, but I'm gonna give you some clue. We have 4 more seasoning coming out. So we have black seasoning and we have green seasoning. It's in production right now. I'm not gonna show you what to do with this. I'm still gonna use the one that we have in the market right now.
Okay.
So we're gonna use very simple taste with the white seasoning then.
That's bumbu putih.
Or bumbu putih or
nice, fresh, herby flavor.
What is this? Bumbu kuning. And this is bumbu samawa. I changed my mind. I'm gonna use bumbu samawa for this chicken. See, it's so easy. When you have these in your fridge, you can just, okay, I'm gonna use this, I'm gonna use that, because it's very versatile. Just use any kind of seasoning, okay?
Alright, so...
Okay, then open this for me, please. Fine. Okay. Down.
Alright, so now what?
I'm gonna put the chicken here, okay?
Wait.
We're just gonna put the chicken. Okay. This is the leftover rotisserie chicken that you have. Okay, chicken, and then we're gonna put 1 spoon of bumbu samawa. Take a look at that. Very thick. 1 spoon. Okay. And then a little bit gluten-free chicken base. If you want more, you can do that later. Yeah, because the chicken itself is already have some salt. Rotisserie chicken, I think they put some salt. What you need to do is just a little bit herby taste to change the chicken into something tastes better. Okay, it's not only salt but some herbs. It's right there. What you need to do is very fast. It might be like 2 to 5 minutes just to reheat the chicken with that kind of seasoning.
Yeah, because remember, it's already cooked.
It's already cooked.
It's really reheating it,
yes,
but adding a lot more flavor to it.
Right.
Oh wow. Yeah.
Okay. Good. maybe 1 more minute. Okay. You don't need to put anything, just the seasoning, because we're gonna do something with this rice and then this white rice left over. Okay. I think we are good here. I think we are good. I'm gonna put it here now. Yeah, I think we are good. That's it. Okay, so now we're gonna start using this. What I'm gonna do with this, it's gonna be a very, very small, it's look like sushi, but it's not sushi. This is what I'm gonna do.
Okay.
Okay? If you wanna small. I need this. You know this? This is katuk. This is from our garden. This is katuk leaf. I'm gonna put it here because we need some color here. Put it here. Put it here like that. Okay. And then you put one here. Okay, katuk. And then where's my tomatoes? Okay, small tomatoes here. And then you can put this cucumber. Put cucumber here. Cucumber here. Yeah, put it. Oh. I'm gonna do yellow here.
All right, so you're mashing it down so it's in the other stuff.
Yeah, because you want to shape the rice. Okay. Then you can put one chicken here. Here, chicken, and then I'm gonna put the rice. This is a white rice here. Okay. You can put the chicken on the top, or you can put the chicken. Okay. Push it like that. Okay. Make sure it's safe, nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna put in the things here. Okay, what you need to do, just do like that.
Orders and
make them look
in a pinch, but maximum flavor. Yes. Always maximum flavor.
Yeah. Okay, so let's try.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Let's go. Gotta eat it.
Yeah. Bueno. The steak with sambal, or even this, you have that kind of chickeny taste. If you want to put fish or whatever you want to put on the top, this is whatever we have in the fridge. So
right.
If you want to put anything nicer, carrot or pea sprout, anything colorful, it will stand out the look. Yeah, so it's like
really good. Okay.
So, yeah, the steak with sambal.
Okay.
Okay, try.
Put it down.
You wanna toast?
Cheers. So good.
With the rice.
When I'm eating at the restaurant or when we have a chance to go to Indonesia, I just like to try to get a little bit of everything in my mouth because it's so many different flavors. So good.
The steak. This is the steak with babero. Okay.
Awesome. Another awesome. 1 to 10, it's a 15. So
don't forget to buy
the sambal.
Sambal.
Is that the sambal?
Yeah. The white seasoning.
Bumbu puti.
And then we have the yellow seasoning.
Bumbu samawa.
No, bumbu
kuning.
And
samawa.
Samawa. And soon we're gonna have bumbu hitam, the black seasoning, and green seasoning, which is basil base.
Bumbu what?
Hijau or green
Hijau.
seasoning. Thank you guys.
All right. We've enjoyed it. I've enjoyed it.
We're gonna finish all of this stuff. And then maybe tomorrow we're gonna do something with okras because we have a lot of okras in the prawn yard. So we're gonna do something with okras.
Yeah.
All right then.
Thank you very
so
much.
Don't forget
to
subscribe,
share,
like, and share.
Go to Krakatoa Cuisine, which is the restaurant website.
Order online.
Order online. You can order your food to pick up. You can order our seasonings there.
And we can send that to you.
What else you can order? You'll be able to order tempeh soon.
Yeah.
Or you can go to 17,000flavors.cooking
and then you can
order from there. You can certainly pick up your seasonings at the restaurant.
Yeah.
And we'll give you one of our bands that say that Abe, we just got in the mail, Abe ordered 17,000 flavors of Indonesia. Make the world tastier.
Thank you guys.
Thank you. Bye-bye.